take a close look at this one. This is a 1968 Chevelle Restomod, totally restored. Vehicle's in excellent shape. Paint and body is just awesome. Torch red with black stripes. 383 small block stroker, aluminum heads, 700 R4, overdrive automatic transmission. That's the one you want. Cruises down the highway real nice. It's got Hotchkiss tubular front control arms. And the body on paint and body on this car is just excellent. Just really nice and straight. It's got four-wheel disc brakes. You can see there. Love the American racing wheels. Check out this interior. This is a custom TMI interior, and it is just awesome. Very comfortable seats. You sit down nice and low. Plenty of leg room and headroom. Continues into the back. They did the full kit in here. Rear panels, door panels. The dash has a nice leather wrapped with some red stitching. Love the steering wheel. Floor shifter with the horseshoe. Everything's really solid in here. It's got an awesome set of Dakota digital gauges. Love this custom insert for this double din stereo. That is just really slick. Obviously it's got vintage air and it works very well. I'll blow you out of here. Here is your console with the overdrive for the 700 R4. Nice and tight. Lines up nice. You got your seatbelt holders there. Console. Just an awesome interior. Doesn't look like we have a horn. This is a tilt column. We have an emergency brake. Works well. And I like the way they hid these speakers in there behind the kick panel, so you don't really see them sticking out, which is nice. They did the same thing in the back. Headliner's in awesome shape also. Very, very well restored. This car was said to have been done in 2019, and it does show. All right, there you have it. There's your 383 stroker, small block Chevy engine. You got aluminum Edelbrock heads, aluminum high-rise Edelbrock intake manifold. We do have a vacuum pump to help run the power brakes. That's a slick system. The vacuum pump only runs when you need it. You can see there it's got a brand new brake master cylinder on it. Oh, excuse me. It's got a brand new brake booster on it, and the air pump is also brand new. It's got a dual reservoir master. You got a nice set of headers, Serpentine belt kit. The cost of the parts on this is astronomical. Engine sounds really good. There's your stuff.